Carving our pumpkin.
I'm going to cut this
Callie, what is that?
Oh.
A hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that your pumpkin? You can stick your hand in. Do it.
Pull the seeds
What's
out.
inside?
Pull it out. It's slimy feeling, isn't it? Oh, your hand fits. It's not big enough for my hand. Can you go inside and dig out these seeds? Go like this. Look. Ooh, slimy.
Ooh. Can you do that, Callie?
You grab them. Reach down in there. Reach down. You're okay. We can wash up afterwards. Pull the seeds out. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get good and dirty before we get done. We're going to get dirty. See? We're going to get dirty. We're pulling these seeds out. And you know what? We could even probably cook the seeds in the oven. Reach in there and grab them. Pretend like you're daddy and you're doing surgery and you're grabbing some of the insides.
Okay.
Reach in.
Pumpkin. Put your hand in. What is that, Callie?
Seeds?
The seed out.
Yeah, we're pulling the seeds out. Reach in. See, Grandma's okay. See, reach in. Get some more pumpkin seeds out. Oh, here comes some more. See if you can get some. Callie's turn.
Get them. Get them, Callie. Get the seeds. Dirty.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Grandma, get more? Look. Here, touch these. Touch them. Mmm, go squishy, squishy. Can you do that? Squish them. Squish them. It's okay. Feel it. Feel it. Grab a handful.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's okay. You know what? We have soap and water. We can wash our hands afterwards. Can't we? It's orange inside this green and white pumpkin, isn't it? Can you get some more seeds out? See if you can get some. What's it smell like? Smell like a pumpkin? Mmm, like squash? We got more seeds to get out. There we go.
Callie, can you say pumpkin?
Pumpkin? Can you say pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Good job.
Seed.
Seeds.
Seed.
Can you grab a seed? Get one.
Callie, pumpkin seeds.
Take one.
Pumpkin seeds.
Grab it.
No.
Here, bucket.
Yeah.